Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a QR code for your email step by step. Whether you want people to contact you quickly for business, school, or personal use, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your web browser, all you have to do is go to qrstaff.com. This website can turn your email address, links, or text into a QR code, so you can easily scan them using a QR code. All you have to do is type cities.qrstop.com. Once you're here, choose the URL option and then type your email here, for example, your email on Gmail. Click on Style your QR code, and it will generate a code. You can configure it here. You can add a logo or center text if you want. You can also add shapes, colors, or gradients. You can customize your QR code. Once you're done, just click Setup and then click Download. Now, once you're here, choose the file type, either JPG or PNG. Let's pick PNG. Once it's downloaded, you will have your QR code here. Now, this is your QR code for your email. You can scan this or send it to someone, so they can scan it using a QR code and reach your email. This will help you generate a QR code link to your email address so others can instantly send you a message by scanning. Now you know how to create a QR code for your email.